we explain it all. Can plants breathe? You breathe every day. In, out, in, out. People breathe. Dogs breathe. Birds breathe. Fish breathe in their own fishy way. But what about plants? Tiny Explorer looked at a green plant. It was not puffing. It was not panting. It did not have a nose. Tiny Explorer folded his arms. This plant is breathing secretly. The plant stood very still, very suspicious. Tiny Explorer put on his special air-seeing goggles. Then he pressed the shrink button. Whiz! Pop! Suddenly, he was smaller than a speck of dust. He landed on a big green leaf. At first, the leaf looked smooth. But then, Tiny Explorer turned on his goggles. Beep! Tiny little doors appeared all over the leaf. They opened and closed. Open, close. Open, close. Tiny Explorer gasped. The leaf has tiny doors. A friendly leaf voice spoke. Yes, those tiny openings help the plant swap air. Swap air? Asked Tiny Explorer. Yes, said the leaf. Plants take in some air and let out some air. Tiny Explorer watched air bubbles move through the tiny openings. One bubble floated in. Another bubble floated out. Then another. Then another. Tiny Explorer touched his tiny nose. I breathe with my nose and mouth, but plants do not have noses. That is right, said the leaf. Plants breathe in their own plant way. The tiny doors opened again. Air moved in. Air moved out. Open, close. Tiny Explorer watched the leaf use air, water, and sunlight to help make food. So plants need air too? He asked. Yes, said the leaf. Plants need air, water, and sunlight. Tiny Explorer walked carefully between the tiny doors. One opened beside him. Whoosh! A tiny air bubble floated past. Tiny Explorer ducked. Careful! Leaf traffic! The leaf laughed. Leaves are busy places. Tiny Explorer looked across the whole leaf. There were tiny doors everywhere. Some were open, some were closed. All of them were helping the plant swap air. Tiny Explorer repeated the lesson. Plants do not breathe with noses. Leaves help plants swap air. That is right, said the leaf. Tiny Explorer floated down from the leaf. Then he grew back to normal size. Pop! He looked at the plant again. It was still quiet, still green, still standing in the sunshine. But now he knew the secret. The plant was not doing nothing. Its leaves were working. Tiny doors were opening and closing. Air was moving in and out. So next time you see a plant, remember, it may not have a nose. It may not have lungs like you, but plants have their own way of breathing. Leaves are tiny air helpers. Plants breathe in their own plant way.